What if I told you your travel trailer could stay powered for days without a noisy generator or hookups? Today's video uncovers the top 5 solar panels for travel trailers that make off-grid life easy and reliable. Welcome to the channel. Check out the links in the description to grab yours now. The number 5 product on our list is Callsun Solar Panel. Surprisingly, not all 400-watt solar panels are created equal, and the Callsun Solar Panel proves it with a jaw-dropping 25% efficiency using next-gen N2 cells. For those seeking serious power on the move, this panel ranks confidently in our top 5 solar panel for travel, charging. Its compact size and 16 BB design mean better performance, fewer hot spots, and a longer lifespan than outdated models. During hot summer road trips, it keeps charging steady thanks to low power loss and high temperatures. It's rugged too, IP68 waterproof, corrosion resistant, and built to last decades. Compared to flexible panels, it offers more output and reliability. For anyone needing high efficiency charging on a travel trailer, this is a smart, future-proof choice. Honest verdict, worth every penny, if off-grid freedom matters to you. Number 4 is ALLPOWERS Solar Panel. If you think all solar panels are bulky and hard to carry, the ALLPOWERS Solar Panel will completely change your mind. Ranked confidently in our top 5 solar panel for travel trailer charging list, this 200-watt powerhouse folds into a sleek, portable form, yet delivers serious off-grid freedom. Its 22% efficiency and wide compatibility with solar generators make it a go-to for long trips. Lightweight but rugged, it's IP66 waterproof and wrapped in durable nylon for rough conditions. Compared to rigid panels, it's easier to pack, quicker to deploy, and performs like a champ even on cloudy days. Whether you're camping, cruising, or parked lakeside, this panel keeps your power station alive. If you value portability without compromising performance, this is a smart and reliable pick you'll never regret. The third one on our list is ZOUPW Watt Solar Panel. Ever seen a 200-watt solar panel that folds like a suitcase yet powers like a beast? Meet the ZOUPW Watt Solar Panel, one of the smartest entries in our top 5 solar panel for travel trailer charging list. With its 23.5% efficiency, this monocrystalline powerhouse outperforms many poly panels, especially in low light. I love how it auto reconnects after cloudy breaks. Pure peace of mind when you're off grid. The integrated controller supports USB-A, Type-C, and MC4, making it a universal fit for power stations and phones alike. Though a bit heavy for hiking, it's perfect for stable setups on trailers and RVs. Built with ETFE coating and smart protection, it's rugged yet safe. If you crave smart charging and long-term performance, Zoop is a top-tier travel trailer companion worth every penny. On number 2 is Eco-Worthy Solar Panel. Can one solar panel kit really power your travel trailer day after day without fail? The Eco-Worthy Solar Panel says yes and proves it. Ranked in our top 5 solar panel for travel trailer charging, this kit delivers up to 800 watt-hours per day under just 4 hours of sun, making it a reliable energy partner for RVs, campers, and mobile off-grid setups. The high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, rated at 21.5%, hold up even in weaker light. What impressed me most was the kit's all-in-one setup. 2 100-watt panels, a 30A controller, long cables, and solid mounting brackets. It's rugged too, handling snow, wind, and heat with ease. If you want a worry-free power solution that's durable, complete, and built for real travel life, this one's a smart investment. Now, moving to the last one is Renogy Solar Panel. Did you know a 200-watt solar panel kit can deliver over 1,000 watt-hours a day, even in just 5 hours of sunlight? The Renogy Solar Panel kit proves it, and that's why it easily makes the list of top 5 solar panel for travel trailer charging. Designed for real-world road life, this setup combines high-efficiency 22% solar cells with Renogy's Smart Wanderer PWM controller, supporting multiple battery types while ensuring 4-stage precision charging. It's more than just power, it's peace of mind. With protection against overcharging, reverse polarity, and short circuits, you're investing in long-term reliability. The included mounting hardware and pre-drilled frames make setup a breeze compared to most basic kits. Renogy adds the kind of safety and durability serious travelers demand. If you're chasing solar freedom, this one is worth every penny. The winner among all products is the Renogy Solar Panel. It delivers top-tier efficiency, durability, and complete charging confidence for travel trailers. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 solar panel for travel trailer. All the links are given in the description to check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.